Okay, so in the previous article or video, we connected our Shopify store and we imported the products. That was step 2. This is step 3, and this is making sure that all of your products are updated. There are a few things you need to do in the products to make sure you've got things like your shipping pricing and a few other things right. So I'm going to show you first of all, these are the products we brought in. Remember, we had a t-shirt that was configurable and we had our simple products as well underneath it. So a t-shirt, the way a configurable product works is you've got the main configurable and then you've got the sub simple products underneath it. And then in addition to that, we've got our pants, which are a simple product. We're going to go and have a look at the pants first, so I'm going to edit it, yes. Okay, and here we have got the attribute set, was men's clothing. Remember, we already selected that. Or if it was default, here is where you'd select that attribute set and update your attributes. We're going to go in and make sure the category is there. So the first things first is we mapped the category already to clothing, and I remember we mapped it to pants. So why don't we go and have a look and see if that's all mapped and worked correctly. Now just bear in mind, you can select up to a maximum of 2 categories. That's because some products will, again, we say only connect those which are relevant. If your product only relates to one, then that's what you should do. Otherwise, it should select to 2. There we go, already selected track pants. Now the system is running very slowly. We've dampened it for that reason, so apologies as this video takes its time. I want to go and add this to activewear because I believe that there might be some track pants in here as well. That's why I'll select the second category, which you can do. And let's see, we've got some pants in activewear and they're track pants, so that's great. And let's go through and check the rest of our products. So we've selected both categories. Pants, this information came through. The status is enabled. Here's our SKU. The price is set, that's great. I'm not running any special prices right now. I've got one in stock, excellent news. It's in stock, visibility. Now, I'm GST registered, so it's a taxable good. That's the first thing you want to make sure you're checking out. Doesn't have weight, the weight's come across, the URL key is there, we've got everything we need. I can add my meta information. Now, in the adding simple products help section of the buyers in our help area is information about what that means. I won't repeat myself here. Allowed product quantity. I will let people purchase up to 10 in one go. My image is in here. If I want to add another image, I can. Let's do that. Here are my pants. I'm just going to drag that over and that's going to load. Whilst we're doing that, we've gone in here and we've got all of the information in here that we wanted. This is not correct. They're large. They are black. One size. I'm making this look like it's a configurable product. Excuse me for confusing things. Shipping cost is $5. And now that's all set. Now, related records, it's going to be related to the t-shirts. And I'm going to upsell it to a t-shirt as well. I'm going to upsell all of them. And now we have it. So an important, make sure you update the shipping cost because when it comes across, the shipping will be 0. And be very, very sure that you make sure that you configure your tax requirements because this relates to the invoice that you provide and you obviously have to pass on if you are registered for GST and it's a taxable good, then you need to say taxable good. If you are not registered for GST, then you would, or it's not a taxable good, you'd say none. And I'm going to save that.